Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey through the world of technology and innovation. Humanity has always been driven by curiosity, the desire to explore, create, and improve life in ways that were once unimaginable. As we step into the future, certain technologies are not just evolving, they are poised to completely reshape our world. Imagine a life where transportation is autonomous, medicine is personalized, energy is clean and abundant, and even the way we interact with our environment and each other is transformed by the power of digital intelligence. These are not fantasies, they are emerging realities, powered by science, engineering, and relentless innovation. In this video, we will explore 15 groundbreaking technologies that promise to change the world as we know it. The first technology that has already begun to leave a profound impact is artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to science fiction novels or futuristic movies. It is deeply embedded in our daily lives, from the smartphones we use to the algorithms that drive search engines, social media platforms, and even financial markets. AI systems are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, predicting outcomes, and making decisions at a scale and speed that humans simply cannot match. The implications of AI are staggering. In healthcare, AI can analyze thousands of medical images in a fraction of the time it would take a human doctor, detecting diseases such as cancer at early stages with unprecedented accuracy. In transportation, AI powers autonomous vehicles, promising safer roads and more efficient logistics. Businesses are leveraging AI to optimize supply chains, enhance customer experiences, and unlock new forms of creativity. However, AI is not without its challenges. Ethical concerns about bias, privacy, and the potential displacement of human jobs require careful consideration. Nevertheless, its transformative potential is undeniable, and as AI continues to advance, it will fundamentally redefine the boundaries of what machines and humans can achieve together. The second revolutionary technology on our list is quantum computing. While classical computers process information using bits that represent either a 0 or a 1, quantum computers operate using qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously thanks to the principles of quantum mechanics. This property allows quantum computers to perform calculations at speeds far beyond the capabilities of conventional machines. Industries ranging from pharmaceuticals to finance and logistics stand to benefit immensely. For instance, quantum computing can model complex molecules to develop new drugs faster, optimize large-scale supply chains with remarkable efficiency, and even crack encryption methods that secure today's digital communications. The race to achieve practical, large-scale quantum computers is already underway, with tech giants and startups alike investing billions of dollars into research and development. Though the technology is still in its infancy, it holds the potential to solve problems that were previously thought to be insurmountable, opening doors to discoveries that could reshape our understanding of science, medicine, and technology itself. Next, let us talk about biotechnology, a field that sits at the intersection of biology and technology. Biotechnology has the power to transform healthcare, agriculture, and even environmental conservation. Through techniques such as gene editing, synthetic biology, and regenerative medicine, we can manipulate biological systems to address some of the most pressing challenges of our time. Gene editing tools like CRISPR allow scientists to modify DNA with astonishing precision, potentially curing genetic diseases that were once considered untreatable. In agriculture, biotech innovations are producing crops that are more resilient to climate change, pests, and diseases, helping to secure the global food supply. Furthermore, Biotechnology is revolutionizing the production of sustainable materials and biofuels, offering alternatives to environmentally damaging processes. The ethical and regulatory dimensions of biotechnology are complex, but the potential benefits extending human life, enhancing food security, and mitigating environmental damage make it one of the most exciting areas of technological advancement today. Another game-changing technology is nanotechnology, which involves manipulating matter at the molecular and atomic levels. Nanotechnology enables the creation of materials and devices with properties that are impossible with traditional manufacturing methods. For example, nanoscale materials can be stronger, lighter, and more durable than their conventional counterparts. In medicine, nanotechnology opens up possibilities for targeted drug delivery systems, where drugs are transported directly to diseased cells, reducing side effects and improving treatment outcomes. Environmental applications include nanomaterials that can filter pollutants from water or air, providing innovative solutions to some of the planet's most urgent challenges. The potential of nanotechnology is vast, touching industries from electronics to energy, medicine, and beyond, promising a future where the tiniest innovations have the most profound impacts. The fifth transformative technology is renewable energy, particularly solar, wind, and next-generation battery storage. As the global population grows and climate change threatens the planet, the shift from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources is not just desirable, it is essential. Solar panels are becoming increasingly efficient and affordable, harnessing the power of the sun to provide clean electricity. Wind energy has similarly evolved, with turbines reaching heights and efficiencies that were unimaginable a few decades ago. Energy storage, particularly through advanced batteries, is a critical enabler, allowing renewable energy to be stored and used when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. The widespread adoption of renewable energy has the potential to drastically reduce greenhouse gas emissions, decrease dependence on finite resources, and create a more sustainable and equitable energy landscape for the future. The sixth technology set to change the world is autonomous transportation. Self-driving cars, trucks, drones, and ships promise to redefine mobility, logistics, and urban planning. Autonomous vehicles leverage a combination of AI, sensors, cameras, and mapping technologies to navigate complex environments safely and efficiently. This has enormous implications for road safety, as human error is responsible for the majority of accidents. Logistics companies are exploring autonomous trucks and delivery drones to reduce costs and improve efficiency, while urban planners are considering how cities can adapt to a future with fewer personal vehicles, more shared mobility, and smarter traffic management systems. While regulatory and ethical challenges remain, the potential benefits of autonomous transportation in reducing accidents, emissions, and congestion make it a technology that could profoundly alter the way we live and move. Following transportation, one cannot overlook the rise of advanced robotics. Modern robots are no longer confined to factories, they are entering our homes, hospitals, and workplaces in diverse ways. Surgical robots allow for minimally invasive procedures with extraordinary precision, while service robots assist with tasks ranging from cleaning to elderly care. Industrial robots are becoming more flexible and intelligent, capable of collaborating with human workers in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. The integration of robotics with AI and sensor technologies enables machines to learn, adapt, and interact more naturally with humans. As robots become more capable, they are expected to revolutionize industries, improve efficiency, and address labor shortages, while also raising questions about workforce adaptation and ethical considerations in human-robot interactions. The eighth technology is augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR. AR overlays digital information onto the physical world, while VR immerses users in fully simulated environments. These technologies are not just for gaming, they are transforming education, training, healthcare, and commerce. Medical students can practice surgeries in virtual environments without risk, architects can visualize buildings before construction begins, and consumers can try products virtually before purchase. AR and VR are also enhancing social interactions, creating immersive experiences that connect people across the globe in ways that were previously unimaginable. As hardware becomes more accessible and software more sophisticated, these technologies are expected to redefine entertainment, work, and learning in ways that blend the digital and physical worlds seamlessly. Next on the list is 3D printing, or additive manufacturing. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which often involves cutting away material, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer, enabling unprecedented design flexibility and efficiency. 3D printing is already revolutionizing industries such as aerospace, healthcare, and automotive. In medicine, it allows for the creation of customized prosthetics, implants, and even bioprinted tissues and organs. In construction, 3D printing has the potential to produce affordable housing and infrastructure quickly and sustainably. The technology reduces waste, shortens supply chains, and enables localized production, which can have profound economic and environmental impacts. As materials, techniques, and printers continue to improve, 3D printing is poised to become a cornerstone of future manufacturing. The 10th T.